I know you're old.
Eat it. Don't put it down.
Look at her go.
She loves it. Play.
Good morning. What are you doing here? What are you doing in Mama's filming room? Let's go. Come. Let's go. Come here. Come to Mama. No. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Come here. Hey, what are you doing over there? Tommy said out. Out. But he loves seeing him over there.
Come on.
He's smiling when he said out.
Out. Come on.
You're right.
Come on.
Dad is happy, Bug, to see you somewhere.
No, why not? Come on. Out.
Yes, you're smiling.
It's fine because it's so goofy. It's funny. Come on.
It's so cute. Come here, Bug. Come here, Bug. Daddy will closing you. Daddy will close you.
Pinch your tail.
Han,
Pinch your tail.
Han.
Pinch your tail.
Han. He will go under there. Look at the lips. This is what happened, guys, when he was a baby. We forget that he's somewhere else. In the refrigerator. This is easy. I do like this. Look, with my hand. And look, guys. Look what happened. Yay! Magkagod muna ako, guys. This is what I'm doing. Kagod food. He's annoying, huh?
No, you want to see what's annoying here?
What's annoying, Tommy? And
There's two of them.
let me see. Who's two? Dimples and yeah.
Dimples and Roxy.
Yeah. And you tell him to get down?
Yeah, but I was like.
But you have to take picture first.
Of course I did.
Roxy sleeping with Tommy and Hubs. Dimples. What exhibit?
And my solder wire is gone. I was like, the last time the whole soldering kit, everything was gone, and it made me crazy trying to find it. Until don't put no wire. I put just two rolls, little rolls of wire.
Why are you doing
silver
that
wire.
job?
Because it's part of my job. The silver rolls of wire. So
Your part of the job is not
$50
reinstalling or
each roll, $50, and they're gone. Like somebody says, oh, yeah, if he needs wire, he can buy more.
We're in the big car, guys. I just told Tommy I missed this car. Yesterday seems like I've been seeing this, like while I'm driving I saw just the same, like this two the same thing. Guys, we are heading to Home Depot, and again I stopped to gasoline station. I wanna get some try gasoline anywhere. My husband always against what I want, so I'm just gonna do it myself. That's why I want to drive here, because it's just like everyone.
I've been driving longer than you've been breathing.
What? You know what, hon? I know you're old. You're so freaking old.
But I got old. Even with my driving and drinking and all kinds of craziness in my life, I managed to get old.
You managed to get old.
Yeah.
Yeah, you managed to be a pain in the neck.
Well, look how many years it took me to become a pain in the neck. You did it so quick, it was like amazing.
The what?
But it took me years and years to become a pain in the neck. You did it really quickly.
You're right. No, I'm very fine and...
Oh, yeah. Fine, pain in the arse.
Yeah, whatever.
Pain in the arse.
This is what happened, guys, when every time we feed me...
Pain in the arse. Pain in the bum.
I don't have none of that.
You don't have to have one to be a pain in one.
Whatever, Tommy. You're annoying as heck. Stay in your lane, hon, because that car is not really moving. They're not really putting...
I've been driving a long time, hon.
That's what I always answer, guys. I've been driving for a long time. This is where the freaking... Did you see that car?
I saw that car.
They're not in their lanes. Nice car, guys. This is my dream car.
through the crack in the house?
Where? Hello, why is that, hon?
I don't know.
Hello, that crack. Oh my God!
Here, so
Something hit it.
Yeah.
Are you sure it's not you?
Yeah.
Because no one hit me. What is that over there? Is that flower? Okay, let's go. There's a lot of woods everywhere. There's different kind of doors over here, guys. Tignan nyo. And we get the wood for the grill because the table is giving up and there's water inside of that table. So this is what Tommy got. I'm just gonna paint the edge to protect it. Right, B-boy?
Yeah.
Home Depot, guys. It's like everything in here. You can find everything. Ladder, kitchen, cabinets. You looking, sir? What are you looking, sir? I like this, guys. Tignan nyo. It's soft close look. No. You're looking for John there. Guys, I thought, look, it's like a robot. Tommy, open it. Transformer. 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 Look, you can open it. It's heavy though. There's a lot of different kind of doors. Tignan nyo guys, double door, single door. So many doors everywhere. Meron din dito ito. No, yeah, this is a whole door. There's no glass. Right there, there's glass. Some of it not. Yeah, there's different kind. Okay, let's go. No, I'm showing that there is in here. Look, and I will tell you how much it is, guys. I don't know how much in the Philippines. Oh, it's right here. It's like 170. That one over there is 300 with the double door. It's 350. This one is only 71. What is this for? This is all like a closet door. Oh, I like this mirror. I need a standing mirror though.
These are closet doors.
Oh, okay. I like it.
Mirrored closet doors.
I need a mirror. Tapos na kami dito, guys. So, magbablog na lang ako. Parang wala lang.
KitchenAid? It's not KitchenAid grill.
It's too light. Yeah, it's too light. I-try natin parang walang pakiba. So, ita-try lang natin. I never vlog that looking at the people. What are you looking for? What did I just told you? I asked you?
You're a pain in the neck?
No.
You asked me, am I a pain in the neck? And I said, yes.
No, I said, did you clean the car?
You said, did you pee in the car?
Yeah.
That's what you asked. Did you pee in the car?
No, you clean your car. I was driving, guys, because we stopped in the gasoline station. I pick up something for the kind of trying gasoline station snacks, small pieces from gasoline station. And suddenly Tommy yelled at me. He yelled at me. Honey! Oh my God, guys, my nerve, guys, is my heart is pumping like this.
Watch out!
Watch out, hon!
Slow down! I did what she does to me all the time.
No. If you don't
All
pay
the time.
attention, you get yelled, honey.
Oh, yeah, well, I guess I never pay attention.
No,
I yelled all the time.
You, because every time he drove, he is looking everywhere like this big.
I observed it. I tell her, you see the cop over there? What cop? She observes nothing.
No, guys,
Nothing.
he is
So
always
she
like.
look at her rearview mirror and say, oh, I see the cop. No big deal. You see him after you pass him.
Well, at least, why I'm worried about the cap. If I'm driving properly, I'm driving.
Doesn't matter. You need to know what's around you.
I do, but you know, I pay attention of the truck behind me, beside me, not the cop. Oh no, you know why I don't see the cop? Because the big truck, remember?
No, hon, I was sitting there and I saw him.
No, the big truck is blocking me.
Excuse me.
Well, at least I'm paying attention my driving. I pay attention the speed limit. I don't have to pay attention who's on there, who's there, who's not there.
You don't see the sign? What sign? I didn't see that sign.
Yeah, right. That was before. Before I get no license.
No, before you said I don't read.
I really like this yard over here. These people here doing their yard properly. They don't cut it very low, one. They cut it really nicely. I'm going to, how do you call this? Poke tight. I'm going to squeeze it. And look who's sleeping. Somebody's sleeping. Don't pretend.
Keep both hands on the wheel.
Well, not really.
Let's do this.
My gupito, placito, tal placito na ang gupito na, ang gupito na, is your gupito. Who love this? I do love him so much. I do love him so much. He's my man. He's my man. He's my cutie man. Can I have your eyebrow? You have perfect eyebrow, hon. You cleaned up the edges. You did? I can tell there is a white line. Did you put concealer in here? Because he has a really long eyebrow, guys, so he cut some of it. I love you so much. Do I love you too? I don't think so. Do I love you too? I love you, baby. I love you, mate. Oh, look at that. Look at it, look at it. Mga look at it. Mga look at it, mga look at it. Oh, show your eyes, mates. It's very pretty rocks. It's very showy. Whatever you feel, that's what your eye says. Lemony, lemony. It smells so good. Come over here. Make sure that I tied it properly. What do you think of my hair?
We'll show you, Evan. Did you shut the air conditioner off? Because it's just hot. It's under the door.
Yeah, it's off.
No, it's easy. I could pull the wires on the air conditioner. You could be in crazy heat all week long, and next week you can tell me how comfortable you are.
I'm always always comfortable. Look at Misty, guys. He's staring at me like crazy.
We're in a person who in the Philippines says, "Oh, I need to go back to the hotel because it's too hot." You don't remember?
What did I say?
I need to go back to the hotel because it's too hot here.
And then what I ask you?
You can go back to the hotel.
Tommy got a gourmet chicken breast gourmet for the dog. It smells like jerky, right, Han? Let's see if you guys would like it. Okay. Sit up, Misty. Okay. Good girl, mates. Sit up, Rox. Sit up. Roxy, sit up. Sit up. Sit. Good girl, you. Okay, let's see if you eat it. You called me Kamon Baracha?
You said, "I Baracha."
Is it Zuhaya Zuhan? Eh? What? I've been celebrating for nobody. What language is that, Han?
I have no idea. Find it.
Oh no, my God, you ruined my stairs. I'm pretty sure ka.
Stop shutting the damn air conditioner.
I turn it on now.
Big deal.
Sorry. I forgave you. Honey?
Turn it on.
I said, I just turned it on.
I don't feel nothing.
Because you are such a...
You hit the right button?
I'm just watching Zuila, guys. I was watching before Alfie's vlog. He did it! He did it! We bring it here, guys. Look, this is the first time I saw the whole thing. Did you see the color is kind of pale in the drawer? It's nicer. And then I will show you when I put the middle one, the center one with the mirror in it. So sexy. Yes, I knew it. My husband's looking at me like so weird.
We mix battery acid in the coconut mix so her hair will fall out. When she takes a bag out, it'll have all her hair in it.
Crazy husband.
Ooh, tingly.
What?
Tingly.
Tingly.
Acid eating the hair apart.
Oh
Tingly.
my god, that's really scary the way you think about it, huh? You still want me even though I'm bald? Bold star? Do you know what is bold star?
We'll take you to the bowling alley.
Do you know? Do you know what is bold star?
Bold star, no, yeah.
Bold star, it's different over here, guys. Bold star. Star. Kitty, 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 kitty.
Hardly a star.
There's star at night. Huh?
Actually.
That's nice. It's like an organ. Just get out from the shower, guys. Tommy is leaving me again. Tommy is leaving me.
I got all white dust in my hair, but you can't tell because the hair's all white anyway.
No, he you know, you saw them. He's doing in the ceiling, so.
Yeah, stretch out.
You want banana thing too now?
No.
Here, have it. Get it.
I put something in my mouth, he jumps up.
Of course. Askin dito.
So. Eat it. Don't put it down.
She's gonna eat it.
Looks like it's dying because too small container for it.
It's you're doing.
Oh wait, no wonder I couldn't get rid of it.
I need
Because it
to.
needs a bigger container.
Yeah, I need to.
It needs a bigger container.
Yeah, the roots are strangling
No, I
themselves in
don't
there.
want that for 2 days.
And the roots are strangling themselves.
Oh, then it needs a bigger container. Gotta go out and get it.
I keep telling her that. There's not enough nutrient in that little bit of soil for it.
Yeah,
And the roots are cutting, they're strangling themselves, they're not even able
because
to
it's
drink.
showing it. Little container.
No, I'm just gonna bring the container from the other house. The flower pot.
Rocky said, give me some of that water.
She's still cleaning her eyes. It's shaking.
Go get her, Rox. Go get her.
Oh. She's gonna stay over there until she knows the water wells are gone.
So run after her with the container, Mary.
Huh?
Run after her with the container.
Where is she?
Oh no, then you scare her altogether. Ah, look at her go.
She loves it. Play.
You're funny, Rox.
Go get her, Rox. Go get her. Go get her.
You want to play? That's what
Oh,
you
she runs like a
Yeah.
boy. Can she?
want. It's summer.
She's sitting there waiting.
She said, wait, now there's really water in there.
She says, okay, come and get me.
Hey, big girl.
She'll come up against you.
Hey, big girl.
She says, here I'm safe.
Misty, Misty, look, Misty, Misty.
Look where she is.
She knows that I'm not
Under
gonna do
his
it.
leg.
So the tail's going like crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah, she said that was fun. That was fun. What Mama got? She'll see that container nowadays, no matter where, and she'll run.
She said, I like the running part.
I know she does. She likes
The water part I'm not
She
doing.
loves to run.
Tutulog yung dalawa, guys. Tignan niyo.
Here,
Yeah?
if that thing doesn't have a green light or a different color, you got a problem right away.
Okay. Han, look at this. You keep pushing hard, honey.
Yeah, that's what kills the bacteria in the water.
Okay. You cannot come in here, Bug. The TV is on the whole day and we don't even watch it or we don't even pay attention. I get another Wet n Wild, guys. This is the Wet n Wild. I get the darker one compared to what I've got because it's kind of lighter. So light and it's white for me. So I got this, the Desert Beige. It's the medium dark in warm. Oh yeah, kakaalis lang nila ni Tommy. Tommy just got, you know, just leaving. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. And we are having fun. We are having fun this afternoon. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!